Take an artboard. Select Line tool and draw a vertical line. Copy another line with pressing Alt on keyboard. Then Ctrl+D to duplicate multiple lines like this. Select all the lines and rotate anti-clockwise. Right-click on it, transform and reflect and copy. Now select Ellipse tool and draw ellipse over the lines. Adjust its position little bit. Set a vertical ruler to the center of the ellipse. Go to Edit, copy and paste in place. Press Shift-Alt and drag down to decrease the ellipse size something like this. Now draw a horizontal line over all. Select all of these. Select Shape Builder tool and set the fill color to black. Then draw over it. Draw the V letter first. Later, draw the circle. Draw another horizontal line parallel to the above line. Again select all and with the Shape Builder tool, draw the remaining part of the circle and also the W letter. Take little more time to fill it perfectly. Little bit zoom in for better visuals. Now you can see the logo is made perfectly. Lastly, you can color it with fill or gradient color, or you can put it to different background. That's it.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.